Gadgets have become an integral part of our daily lives. From smartphones to smartwatches, we rely on technology to help us stay connected, informed, and entertained. The rapid pace of technological innovation has brought about exciting new gadgets that have revolutionized the way we live, work, and play. In this video, we will explore some of the latest and most innovative gadgets in the world of tech. Smartphones gadget. Smartphones are perhaps the most ubiquitous gadgets in the world of tech. They are essential for staying connected to the world and for performing a variety of tasks. From browsing the web to sending emails and messages. Today's smartphones come with advanced features such as facial recognition, biometric sensors, and advanced camera systems that allow users to take stunning photos and videos. Smartwatches gadget. Smartwatches are becoming increasingly popular, as they offer a range of features that can help us stay healthy, active, and connected. With built-in sensors for tracking heart rate, sleep patterns, and physical activity, smartwatches can help users monitor their health and fitness levels. They also offer notifications for incoming calls, messages, and social media updates, allowing users to stay connected even when they are on the go. Virtual reality headsets gadget. Virtual reality, VR, headsets are gadgets that allow users to experience immersive, interactive environments that feel like they are real. These gadgets typically consist of a headset with a screen and built-in sensors that track the user's head movements. This allows users to look around and interact with a virtual environment as if they were really there. VR headsets are becoming increasingly popular for gaming, but they also have applications in fields such as education, healthcare, and entertainment. Drones gadget. Drones are gadgets that have revolutionized the way we take photos and videos from the sky. These flying machines can capture stunning aerial footage and provide a unique perspective on the world around us. They have a wide range of applications, from professional photography and videography to search and rescue missions and scientific research. Smart home devices gadget. Smart home devices are gadgets that allow users to control various aspects of their home using their smartphone or voice commands. These devices include smart thermostats, smart locks, and smart lights, which can be controlled remotely to save energy and enhance home security. They can also be integrated with other smart home devices, such as smart speakers and smart TVs, to create a fully connected and automated home. In conclusion, gadgets have become an essential part of our lives, and they continue to evolve and improve at a rapid pace. From smartphones to virtual reality headsets, drones to smart home devices. The world of tech is full of exciting and innovative gadgets that are changing the way we live, work, and play. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more groundbreaking gadgets that will further enhance our lives and shape the future of society. Kindly like, share, subscribe to our channel to get update on our new technology videos.